Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's go. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing this morning? How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, Maribel. Good morning. All right. All right, perfect, guys. So again, here we go. We're obviously on the 15 right now. Let's go down to the 5-minute, which we obviously look for setups on the 5-minute. Okay, as you can see, we have one indicator up, and that's the EMA. That's the 200 EMA, and we're obviously above that on the 1-minute. We're above that as well. Okay, we're above that as well. All right, and then on the 15, we actually just crossed that as well. On the 1 hour, we're not quite there yet, and on the 4 hour and the day, we're still obviously in a downtrend. Okay, but again, 5, 1 minute, 15-minute, we're all above. So we're gonna look for some buys. Okay, we're gonna look for some buys, and what we're looking for is we're looking for a retest or we're looking for a break of structure. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right. So again, if we go to, since we are scalpers, if we go to the 1 minute, we can kind of see where she's consolidating. And I like to kind of use this as really a strategy as far as just really, breaking a point of structure, breaking structure. Okay. So we're going to mark this blue, and she's right here on this here as well. Okay. So again, this is where she's consolidating. So again, we can look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last 8 minutes, she's been consolidating here. Obviously, this is a structure. This is a structure. She's respecting this structure. Okay. This is a level that she's going to break. The next level is up here. Okay. So again, once she breaks this here, a great strategy is break and close above. We continue the buy. Okay. Break and close above, we continue the buy. All right. So now we go to the 5-minute and we look at the same thing. Okay. Again, great area here. Break above here, and we continue to go to the we continue to go up. Okay. So let's move some of these up. And the way I move these up is I can literally just 33, 250, boom, and that moves that up. $33, 200. All right. Okay, so you can see what we're respecting. Move this up. 33, 225. All right. Okay, so you can see what we're respecting. You can see what we're respecting. We're respecting this 33,200. We're respecting it. We're respecting it. Okay, what else are we respecting? Okay, what else? Okay, so again, look at this. We just broke this level, but then she fell back down. Okay, she just broke this level right here. She just broke this 33,125 was just broken. Then she came down, respected it. So she's respecting this 33,125 as well. So that could be potentially where she comes back down to and continues up, okay? So we just have, so if we go down to 15, we can see here to the left, over here to the left, we have we have a floor right here, okay? So again, she could come down to this 33,150. Set this here, 33,150. Okay, she could come down to this 33,150, respect it, and bounce back up, okay? So again, that's kind of what we're waiting on right now. Okay, we're not in any hurry at all. As you can see what we just marked up here, she did not break and close above that. Okay, so she's still consolidating right here. So the 1 minute really tells the story of right now. It really tells us what she's doing right now. Okay, on the 5 minute, you don't see this consolidation. You see a bigger point of consolidation. Okay, but you don't see the consolidation of what's happening right now. She's consolidating right here. Okay, and what happens in a consolidation? She makes a move. Okay, she's either going to break to the upside or she's going to continue to fall and retest. Okay, and so again, she's literally playing with that line. She's respecting this line. She's respecting this 33,175. Okay, but it's also such a short consolidation where again, like I'm looking for buys. I'm not taking this sell. Can you take this sell? Sure you can. Good morning. Good morning. Sure, you can take this sell. If that's what you wanted to do, you could take that sell. Okay, but again, I'm looking for buys. Why? Because I'm on top of the 200. Okay. Could you take the sell? You could do whatever you'd like. And again, boom, look at that. Okay. You could absolutely take that sell. 17 seconds left on that. Take the next entry candle to the downside. Perfect, great, if that's what you want to do. Okay, but I'm looking for her, especially in this strategy, to break above here. Break above here, take that next entry candle, boom, and continue up. Okay. And again, why don't we take in the middle of a candle? Okay, we try not to take in the middle of a candle because look at that. She almost pulled up all the way. Okay. But again, boom, look at that. You would have caught a little bag. Okay, by taking the entry of that candle. All right, so again, great 1 minute strategy. Okay, you see consolidation, set it up. You see consolidation, block her off, cage her in. Okay, and whichever direction she breaks, boom, you can take that scalp. All right, just a little trick there. Okay, look at that. What did I tell you she was going to respect? Go out to the 15. What did I tell you she was going to respect? Look at this, guys. She respected this floor. She respected this floor and she bounced back up. Okay. So let's see if we can get that entry once again. So 33,150, 33,150. Okay, 33,150 or the break of 33,200. Break and close above 33,200, we take that next candle. Okay, so we got, let's go to this 5 minute. We have 2 minutes, 20 seconds left on this candle. 2 minutes, 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what happens here. Okay, 33,200, break and close below, above. Let's say let's see if we take this next entry. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. I'm not going to take it in the middle. Okay, I'm going to be very patient. Okay, we got a minute 50. Is she going to respect it? Is she going to respect it? Okay, because obviously she's respecting it. And this is the 5 minute. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So almost an hour she's respected that zone. Okay, almost an hour she's respected that zone. So the entry of this next candle, I'm going to take to the upside if she closes above. Okay. I'm taking the entry of this next candle to the upside. I'm taking a buy on the entry of this next candle. Entry of this next candle, I'm getting in for a buy. And again, guys, we're simply just talking through these trades, just simplifying these trades, just simplifying this process. Don't overcomplicate this process at all. Don't overcomplicate this. Just think about what the next step will be. Okay, so I'm going to take the entry of this next candle in 47 seconds. $34 seconds. Okay, we got 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. I'm in. Little pullback. We're okay. 7-point pullback. We got about a 5-point pullback. We're okay. We're about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. And we're going to take a quick bag. All right, here we go. Take about a 5-point bag. Boom, we're out. Bag me. 1-0. 1-0. Let's go. 1-0. Let's go. You know what? I'm going to wait for this retest off of this 200 area. Okay? I'm going to wait for her to bounce off of this 200 area, and we're going to get in. So now that she's broken it, I'm going to wait for the retest. Okay? So we took the break. Now we're going to wait for the retest. All right? So 1-0. 1-0. We're 1-0. All right, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. 1-0. Okay, we're going to get a bounce off of this. There it is. I want the retest off of this, actually. That's a great entry point right there. Come down in the 20s. Come down in the 20s on MT4. Boom, I'm in. Boom, bag me. Let's go. Boom, I'm in again. I'm in again. Let's set this for 10 points. 37, modify. Oh, let's go. You know what? Let's just take our profits. Close. Boom, bag me. Boom, bag me. So literally, guys, we are 3-0. We are 3-0 on this session. 3-0 on this session. No, I'm using MT4 right now. We're good. So literally, here's the deal, guys. 3-0 on this session. Wait for her to hit this. She retests. So again, we're looking at the 1 minute. She retests anywhere below this. She's hitting this right here. She's respecting this right here. Let me show this to you guys. She's respecting this right here, guys. She's respecting this right here. She's respecting this right here, okay? She's respecting that right there. Okay? So again, she comes back down here. Okay? She comes back down here. Okay? Take your buy. Here she comes. Get ready. So again, guys, here's the deal. On MT4, anything in the twos. So you got 234, 235. So anything like 225, get in. 225 area, get in. 220, anything in the twos. Okay, we're in 35 right now. So she drops in the twos, I'm getting in. Okay. We're at 34. Okay, because she's consolidating in the 30s. So she's going to break down into the twos, and I'm going to snag her when she does. There we go. 28, 28. Come down a little bit further for me. Come down a little bit further for me. 37. Look at that. We could have got a bag for 10 points, guys. So again, you just have to use all your tools. So I'm looking at MT4. I'm looking at TradingView. I see what she's doing, but obviously on TradingView, okay, it's a little different. Okay, I can see her moving on MT4. So again, I'm looking at 225, 228, somewhere around there, and I'm going to get her to slam down, and then I'm going to grab a bag once she comes back up. Okay. So again, we're at 39.41. Okay. Wow, look at that. We could have got a bag, but we're okay. We didn't miss out on anything. She's going to come back down. She's going to retest it. There we go. 41. Come on, come down in the 20s. Come down in the 20s and let me get in. Come down in the 20s and let me get in. So guys, I'm literally just focused on MT4 right now. Because I want that sniper move. I want her in the 20s. Here we go, 42, 41. I want her to drop 40. Here we go, in the 30s, 38, 39. Okay, come on, big drop. Give me a big drop, let me in, and I'm going to grab a bag. Because guys, keep in mind, if she slams down, that's about a 20-point pullback. Perfect. Boom, let's go. 36. Come on, keep coming down. Keep coming down. Give me into the 20s, 28, 27, somewhere around there, and I'm in. 35, 37. Come on, slam down and let me in. $37, $36, $35. Here we go. Get ready. Boom. 33, 32. 32. 30. Boom. I'm in. I got in at 30. I got in at 30. Let's see if she comes down a little bit more. I'm going to get another entry. Come on down. Come on down. Boom, I'm in. I'm in on 2. So we're going to take this to 41. We're going to grab 10 points right now. So I'm going to set these at 41. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, if we just be patient, she's going to pull. So we're in a pullback right now. We're okay, but look what she retested off of. I'm telling you, I can't make this stuff up, guys. Look what she retested off of. And we're about to be done with this session. 23 minutes in, we're about to be done with this session. You should be in a trade right now. She's in a perfect location right now. You should be in a buy. She's about to climb up. You should be in a buy for a big bag right now. Let's go. Let's go. Big bag. Guys, we're looking for 2 trades. We're looking for 2 setups. We're looking for a breakup structure. Here, let me mark this up. All right. Where's my arrow? Where's my little arrow at? Okay, look at this. Looking for a breakup structure or retest of structure. We're looking for a break of structure or retest of structure. Okay, we're looking for a break of structure or a retest of structure. We're in huge profit right now. We're in huge profit. We're about 7 points above profit. I got my TP set at 10 points. I got my TP set at 10 points. But again, can I close out in profit right now? Absolutely. And you know what? Boom, bag me. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Like we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are 5 trades. We're at $2,500 in profit. Again, we cannot make this stuff up. This is so simple. Stop overcomplicating. Okay? This gain is 95% mental. 95% mental. I don't lose. I will not lose. I expect to win. And it's because that attitude, I win. Let's go. TP smashed. TP smashed. I'm telling you, and we're done. We're done, guys. Like, we're looking for 2 things. We're looking for break of structure and we're looking for retest of structure. And again, I'm going to show you a little trick. We're scalpers, right? We're scalpers. So let's go to the minute. Oh, we're on the minute. Okay, cool. So check this out. Where is she consolidating? Right here. Boom. Look at this, guys. She's consolidating right here. She's consolidating right here. Okay? Break and close above, boom. Take that next candle. Break and close below, boom. Take that next candle. Again, very simple strategy if that's what you wanted to implement. Obviously, I'm looking for buys. Okay? I'm looking for buys because we're above this 200. We're above this 200 on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. Okay? All right. Any questions? Like, I'm done with this session, but any questions, guys? I don't know if James is on here, but I wanted to give a shout out to James. James has been grinding with me. James reached out to me on Facebook, and he said, Gabe, what are you doing? Okay, just like I did with Sam. Gabe, what are you doing? I want to learn that. I want to learn how to trade. Okay, so then James became a student. He became a student in IM. Okay, IM Mastery Academy, and he literally started learning how to trade. He started learning the mental aspect of trading. He found his style. Okay, and I'm telling you, he's about to take a huge payout. Okay, I'm obviously not going to share the man's business, but again, he's literally just followed the process, and he's about to take a huge payout on Monday. And again, that's his first payout. And again, in 2 weeks, he'll take another one. And 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 in 2 weeks, he'll take another one. Do you know what I mean? So again, guys, this is life changing. And again, it literally, he paid $500 for a funded account. And we'll just put it this way, double-digit withdrawal. Huge, guys. Like, he's thinking about like businesses. He's thinking about, what am I going to do now? What's next for me? How do I invest that? How do I make that bigger? You know, and again, it's time to learn things that we're not supposed to learn. Because if they wanted us to learn these things, they would have taught us a long time ago. But we have to go seek this information on our own so that, guys, like, we can change the culture. We can change and remove these chains that have been on us for years. You know what I mean? This is all public knowledge out there. You just have to go seek it. And there's no easy way. I don't use AI bots. Okay? I learned the skill. And that's what we do, guys. I'm telling you guys are getting it every night with signals. Okay, unfortunately, I'm about 2 hours behind you guys. I think I was up the other night on a signal, and I was up to about 4:30 in the morning. It was rough. But again, guys, like, you guys have an amazing leadership team with IME. Huge, huge, huge community. And we're only getting better. We're getting bigger. And again, like, if you are not tuned in, if you are not plugged in, if you are not asking questions, like, guys, like, come on. Like, I'm telling you, like, this is life-changing. I'm telling you that withdrawal that this man's about to take, his confidence level just went through the roof. You know what I mean? I'm so proud. I'm so proud to be part of his story. I don't do this for clicks. I don't do this for likes. I don't do this for views. I don't do this for follows. I do this for stories like that, to help people, to show people the opportunity when you just learn this skill set. Something that you think is hard, something that you think is challenging, if you just focus on the skill set, it is life changing. So again, guys, man, so exciting. I'm so proud of James. He just, again, and obviously Robert been killing it. Kevin's been killing it. Maribel's been killing it for a minute. But again, like, gosh, just amazing stories, guys. And you know what? Here's the deal. All he needs to do is just go share his story, because there's others out there that are looking for an answer, that are struggling and just feeling like there's no opportunity, feeling like they're defeated in their jobs and their whatever they're doing. And to just have someone be like, you know what, this is what I did. And again, it took some time. James has been at it now for, I would say, probably over a year. But again, just he didn't quit. He didn't give up. And it's paying off, which is awesome. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Questions. Let's go. We were done trading about 10 minutes ago. Any questions, guys? So Sam reached out. We're going to be doing a training. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Okay, stay tuned for that. On the podcast situation, I've been having some technical difficulties. Just been testing different softwares. So again, I'm definitely excited to share Sam's story. I just don't have I'm just looking at the right softwares right now to just get the best quality. Obviously, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. And that's why we haven't shared that story. But again, San and I, we are going to get together, and we're going to just really share our stories, and we're going to do a kind of a beginner's training. Again, just dropping nuggets, just giving you guys the info that you guys have requested and the info that you guys need to continue your journey. What kind of questions you guys have? What questions do you have? Any questions out there? Let's go. Any questions? No questions? So again, guys, here we go. We go back to the minute. Okay. We see that we're still consolidating here. Okay. We see that we're still consolidating here. Okay. Break of entry, retest of entry. Okay. Retest of entry on this 5 minute. Retest of entry on this 5 minute. Break of entry on this minute. Break of entry on this minute. Okay. Retest of entry on this 5 minute. Break of entry on this minute. Okay, what I mean by that is if she breaks and closes above that next entry candle, boom, take it. Okay. We get a retest of this area here on this 5 minute, boom, the next candle, we take up. Okay, or 5 minute break of entry, break of structure. So if we close above this 33,250, boom, take that next candle up. Okay. But again, guys, I appreciate you guys. We are done. Honestly, I don't want to take up any more of your time. We are done with this session, in and out, that simple. And that's what we do. Again, I'm not here to sit on charts all day long. I don't do that. I'm not here for that. Okay. Can I jump in at any point of the day that I want? Absolutely. Okay. And I demonstrated that yesterday. Okay. But at the end of the day, Okay. This is to simplify. This is to really break away from what do you look at when you're setting up your charts before trading. So all I simply do is this is the US30. So obviously I just mark off bank zones. That's all that I do. I use DeLorean. Man, amazing. Look at that, killing it. So again, guys, I use the DeLorean EMA, and here's the deal. What lot size? So you have 100K funded. Again, it depends on who's it funded with. I use the funded trader, okay, TFT. So I use a 1.0. I use a 1.0. I know James 0.8, 1.0, 1.5. That's kind of the range I'm at. Okay. So again, this is how I calculate this is how I calculate what my lot size is my threshold is 50 points. Okay. So my stop loss is going to be a 50-point stop loss. All right. So if I'm going to set it at 1% of my account. All right. I'm going to set it at 1% of my account. So again, and actually I usually open up 2 trades. So I'm going to set it up at 0.5% of my account. Okay. Each trade. All right. So again, you'll just have to calculate that as far as what that comes out to. But again, on TFT, I'm around 1.0, 150. Okay. 1.50. That's right. That's where I like to be. All right. What do you look at when you're setting up your charts? So all this is the DeLorean EMA. Why do I use that? Again, I don't pay for TradingView, guys. I use a free TradingView. I did pay for TradingView. The one thing about TradingView that I really liked that I paid for was the replay. Okay. I don't do a whole lot of journaling. I have my strategy down. If you're new, one of the things that I would recommend is the replay option. The replay option is the only reason why I would pay for TradingView is the replay option, so that you can go back and you can actually replay the setups. Okay. That's the only reason why I paid for TradingView. I didn't find myself doing that back testing as much because I found my strategy. So again, if you're still looking for your strategy and you're still looking for what works for you, that replay. And again, guys, keep in mind, this is an investment. Okay. If you're paying $14 and that's all that you're paying for some education, okay, great. You know what I mean? So again, like, this is all business expenses. I write all these expenses off, Zoom, all these things. You know what I mean? Again, treat it like a business. Okay. So again, replay is great, but again, I don't pay for it. So I use the EMA. I use this DeLorean EMA because the DeLorean actually has 5 EMAs in one. Okay. It has 5 EMAs in one. This right here, this gray color is actually the 200. Okay. And that's the only one I use. And then here are bank zones. Okay. So this is 32,250, 32,200, 33,150, and then obviously 33,100, 3350, 3300. So again, every 50 is a bank zone. Okay. Is there an indicator for that? Yes, there is. But again, guys, like I'm telling you, I don't use any indicators, and I'm not going to rely on them. I take the 30 seconds that it takes to set up these lines, and that's what I do. It's part of my process. Okay. Again, don't be lazy in this. All right. And then these yellow ones are just halfway points, because if she's halfway, it's kind of like an RSI. If she breaks this halfway point, she's most likely going to go to the next. So it's kind of like when we're obviously watching the baseball playoffs right now. So when you're running and you have momentum going around first, you're going to continue to second. And that's what this does, is when she crosses this threshold here, she's going to run to that next base. Okay. So that's kind of how I use the halfway point. And also, they're also sometimes levels. Look at that. She's respecting this level right here. She's respecting this level. Okay? She's respecting it. All right. So again, that's how I set up. Does that answer your question, Kevin? And then what I look for is support resistance off of those levels. Okay, what bank zone is she respecting? Look at this. 33,200, boom. That was a level she broke off of this candle right here. Give me 1 second here. Let me find it. Look, off of this candle right here, she broke this level. She broke through this ceiling, this candle right here. Boom. What did she do? She retested it. Okay. So again, where did she break? She broke this 33,200. Boom. What did she do? She retested that 33,200. And look at that. 50-point bag. So again, guys, like I'm telling you, like, just be patient. Be patient and wait. Be patient and wait. Okay. Yeah, huge shout out. Huge shout out to all of you guys. Obviously, there's other things you could be doing right now, but you're putting in the work. You're putting in the time to get on these sessions. And again, I'm going to really focus on trying to just at least make an hour session. Okay. If we're done in a half hour, great. We'll chit chat. We'll talk. We'll look at the chart still. Okay. But again, guys, like I did not start trading to look at charts all day. Okay, 8 hours a day. If that's what I have to do, I don't want to do this anymore. Okay, but I'm able to make life-changing money in an hour and be able to have freedom for the rest of my day. Work on other businesses, be able to do other things. Okay. We're looking at investment properties here in Chicago. So again, guys, like I said, like, understand what are you wanting to get out of this? Okay, what are you wanting to get out of this? Honestly, this is just another stream of income, guys. Like, I don't want to be a trader, but again, I learned how to trade to have another stream of income. And because it's so simple. It's so simple once you get it. And again, I'm a scalper. Okay. Intraday trades. Okay. Sam's very good at that. Again, can I diversify? Can I do intraday? Absolutely. But again, guys, I don't want to, if I'm not looking at it, if I'm not looking at the screen, I don't want any trades open. Okay. If I'm not able to control it, okay, I don't want any trades open. Okay. I let Fidelity do that. I let Nationwide do that. I let, I let those big individuals that we pay when we invest into those type of vehicles, I let them control that. I let them watch, my S&P. I let, those are long term. Those are long term. And again, another tool, guys, check this out. Over here to the right. Hold on. Let me move this real quick. Let me see if I can move this over. Okay, that didn't work. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see here. All right. Exit full screen. All right, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, perfect. So let me see if I can change this up real quick. All right, perfect. So over here, over here, over here, over here. Check this out. Look at this. I can go the 5 minute. What is this telling me? Okay, the oscillator, sell, buy, strong buy on the moving average. What am I using? What am I using? I'm using a moving average. So again, guys, like this simply just tells us buy, exponential moving average 200, buy. Look at this, 10, 20, 50, 100, buy, moving average, buy, strong buy. Okay, so what are we doing? We're just waiting for the right entry point. You know what I mean? So again, guys, like I'm telling you, there's a lot of tools. There's a lot of tools that we can use to get confirmation, to then now put our skill set to work, okay, to confirm what we're doing, to confirm our move, to confirm the direction, okay? Again, do I like this here? Great. But again, I'm probably going to experience a pullback. I'm going to wait for this bigger. I'm going to wait for where she actually broke right here. Okay, come down, retest. And again, she may not come all the way down here. Guess what? When she comes down and gets into these wicks over here, boom, that's where I would get in. Okay, when she gets into these wicks right here, that's where I'll get in. Okay, why? Because she's not going to come all the way down to this level. Okay, she retests zones, not points. Okay, she comes down to zones. Like let's get in right now. Boom, I'm in. I'm not afraid of that. That's an amazing setup right there. Boom, I'm in. I got 2 entries open. We're about to get a bag. So I'm in at 210. I'm in at 210. I'm going to take this to 220. Guys, I'm telling you, we're about to get a bag. Just that quick. We're about to bag me here in about 2 points. We're at 15, 16, 17. Boom, bag me. Let's go. Can't make this shit up. Let's go. Oh, shoot. That was amazing. That was good. Literally. $3,500 for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. Again, in and out. That's simple. I don't lose. I expect to win. I expect to win. There was no hesitation taking that trade. Absolutely none. Let's go. Any more questions, guys? We got about 10 minutes left on this session. 10 minutes left on this session. 10 minutes left on this live session. 10 minutes. Let's go. What kind of questions? Let's go. What kind of questions? Okay, on my eval counts, okay, I start off pretty aggressive, about 1%. I start off at 1.0, 1.50 because I need to pass these challenges. Once I have a live account, 0.80 is usually where I stick around because at the end of the day, I don't want to lose that account. So I'm going to under leverage and I'm just going to get profit. I'm going to under leverage and I'm just going to get profit. Why? Because I have no more targets I'm trying to hit. Every target that I hit is my personal target. Every target that I hit profit-wise is profit. Okay? Okay, your challenges, you have targets. You have a 5%, you have a 10% target for phase 1, and you have a 5% target phase 2. Okay? So you have a 15% target between 1 and 2. When you get a live account, you don't have a target. That's your own personal goal. So why would I continue to leverage high? lower your leverage, and let's go. Okay, TFT, at the beginning of every month, they do a challenge. Okay, they do a challenge where you can win a live account. Okay. Again, guys, like, these are things that they do. They do a challenge. Okay. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. They also have an eval. Again, it's just a little bit tighter. It's called the Night Challenge. Okay. It has a 3% daily and a 6% overall drawdown. Okay, which is tight. I run that on my own accounts. So I have a 5% daily, and I'm at 2 to maybe 3% daily. That's my own personal limit. Okay, I never will break that account. Okay, so again, on the night, it's 3% daily and 6% overall. So again, 5 and 10 difference. But what's nice about that is it's one phase. You have a 10% profit, phase one, and literally after that phase one, 7 days you take a withdrawal. So if you go into my YouTube, I'm trading on the Funded Trader. The Funded Trader, you'll see kind of a code there that you can get a discount on. Okay, so that there, the broker is Think Markets. Okay, Think Markets is the broker, and then obviously right now I'm actually trading on a COT4 account. That's what I traded on this morning. Okay, my live personal account. Okay, it's a $50,000 account. Okay, and again, what I've done is I've taken profits from my funded accounts, and I've slowly built this account up. Okay, so that's what I traded on this morning with the profit of $3,570. Okay, so again, that's what I'm trading on right now, is a COT4, and then obviously my funded accounts, and those are all with ThinkMaker. Okay. And right now I have about 250,000 working towards a goal of 600,000, because that's the limit that you can have with the funded. And then from there, scaling those with consistency trading for 3 months. Okay. Yep, so that's what I'm working with right now. Great questions, guys. And we're going to definitely go over all of this as well. Okay. We're going to go over all this basic stuff as well. What's TAT? TFT is the Funded Trader. The Funded Trader. The Funded Trader. The Funded Trader. TFT. So it's the fundedtraderprogram.com. The fundedtraderprogram.com. Right here we go. There you go. And again, that's not even my link. Again, guys, here's the deal. It's not about the affiliated link, honestly, any of that. But obviously, they know what I'm trading. They know what I'm doing. I've actually reached out to them. So again, I do have an affiliate link in my YouTube. Obviously, it gives you a little bit of discount. Okay, but here's the website directly. thefundedtraderprogram.com. Okay. And then also FTMO. FTMO is another one as well. Once I establish the 600 here, I will then be going to FTMO. Okay, FTMO is a little bit more expensive. The funded trader program, I'm telling you guys, like that night challenge, again, 3% daily draw, 6% overall. It's tight, but I'm telling you, like if you lower your leverage, it can be done. I obviously would not do 1.0, 0.80. I'd be at like 0.50 on that because obviously the drawdown is so less. But again, once you pass the phase one, you literally have withdrawals in 7 days versus 21 days on the standard. But again, I like the standard. I'm patient. I've worked through the standard. I actually can pass phase 1 and 2 in about 10 days. So I can pass a phase 1 and 2 in about 10 days. Consistently. And again, that's not using any AI bots. That's simply just literally the naked trader, naked Forex philosophy. That's it. Just keeping it simple, guys. Just keeping it simple. So like, for example, when we look at the chart right now, okay, because we broke and closed, so this next candle, we break and close above this 33,200, I would take that entry. We break and close above this 33,200, I would, the funded trader. Yep, the funded trader. That's it. And what I like about the funded trader, guys, is they make it fun. They gamify it. They gamify it. Okay? How many of us play games on our phone? How many of us do Snapchat and streaks and things like that? So again, like they gamify it. They make it fun. They have a really cool vibe to it. They obviously use nights and different challenges like that. But again, it's fun. It's a fun vibe. You know what I mean? And I really like that. So the entry of this next candle. The entry of this next candle in 3 minutes, take a buy. The entry of this next candle in 3 minutes, take a buy. If we close above this 33,200, take a buy. The entry of this new candle. Entry of this new candle. Let's do it. Let's do it. MT4. Let me go to my MT4. I was looking at some cameras. Sorry about that. All right. So we got a minute left on this candle. We got a minute left on this candle. Okay. If she breaks and closes above this 33,200, we are taking a buy. Okay, but we're not going to take anything if she closes below. We're going to be patient. Okay. Okay, we got a minute 19 left on this candle. Minute 19 left on this candle. So again, guys, here's the deal. Unless she closes above this 33,200 in the next minute, I will not take the entry of this candle. She's got to close above 33,200. Look at that. And she's about to do that. She's about to do that again. Oh, look at that big drop. Man, that's it. Good job. So guys, look at that. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. On my MT4, she's above 200. I am going to open up right now. Boom, I'm in. Boom, I'm in. We're going to set these at 10 points. 219. And we're going to set both of them at 219. Great, boom. Okay, so now we wait. So again, on my MT4, we were above the 200 and we're still above the 200. Okay, so again, on my MT4, I opened up above the 200 mark. Okay, we're obviously a little bit off on TradingView, but again, I went off my MT4. Good job, Mikes. Good job, man. That's good. Love it. Keep grinding. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Here's the deal. When I open up a new account, I'm going to be honest. I get a little loose in the beginning, and I usually take about 2.5% loss, and then I get super focused, and I grind, and I come out of the hole. I don't know why, but again, it just always happens that way. Okay, but once I'm in profit, we're rolling. We're rolling. Okay. Again, here we go, guys. We are in profit right now. We're in profit. Okay, we got 2 trades open right now. We've had some great entries this morning. I have not had any pullbacks more than maybe 10 points. Okay, we're in a pullback right now of about 9 points. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's get rid of these. And we're just going to be patient right now, and we're done with this session. Once we close out of these, so we're about 9 points in pullback right now. 9-point pullback, we're okay. 3-point pullback right now. We're about to go in profit. Let's go. We're in profit. Big jump, big jump. I just need 10 points. That's it. I just need 10 points. That's all. Oh, sorry about that, guys.